So today we're in Ottawa in Riverside South neighborhood. It's a really popular area for us. We're doing a block of 3 townhomes together, full roof replacement with 50-year GAF timberline shingles. It's a lifetime warranty, unlimited wind speed guarantee. So here you can see the guys are hard at work. Ripping the roof is the first step. So we're tearing off the old roof completely, inspecting the roof deck, and then we're going to start prepping the roof with new underlayment, so a leak barrier or ice and water shield, new ventilation, full system replacement going on here today. You know, we try to protect the landscaping as best as possible against any debris, haul all the debris away in our bins.
Hi, I'm Patrick Montone. I'm one of the drivers for Firon Roofing. Have the truck and trailer, and I go around and just drop off the trailers on the houses whenever the job is complete and everything. I come back here, pick up the trailer, grab any leftover materials on the job site, bring it back to the shop, clean up the driveway and for any loose nails or loose garbage, walk around the property, make sure everything's all clean and done.
Safety is very important to us as well. So we want to make sure the guys are tied off and we're fully insured, make sure you're not at risk as a homeowner. It's a very dangerous job. It's a very messy job. We have a lot of experience with what we do every day. So as you can see behind me, we're tearing off this roof on a home in Riverside South. Builder roof's always done to minimum code, minimum standard. You can see there's no underlayment. Basic code is 1 row of ice shield at the eaves. It's all about cost. So whenever you're looking at a roof replacement, we're always going to recommend full underlayment to protect. You know, whether it's steep or walkable, we can handle it. Typically when we start a roof replacement, we work from the back to the front. That way we're not walking over our work that we've just completed, managing the debris and stuff like that. So there's an order of operations to it. So the back is usually going to be the first part that gets to be shingled. And you can see the guys here doing a fine job installing our 50-year shingled roof system. We truly live up to our slogan, performing beyond expectation.